sexy lady.
Do it.
Yeah. Girl, just shaking in your dress, looking fresh. Oh my God, I'm out here trying to impress. Baby girl, nothing less than the best you deserve. Come through, burning on the killified herb. What you heard, man, I'm good with my words and whatnot. Beef with that click, nigga, swear I get shot. Which means move around, homeboy, you don't know me. I'm just trying to kick it with your girl, blow me slowly, maybe in the whip when I ain't driving shit. But I got a partner, she sucking on a dick. Now, matter of fact, I get back to this rap, I attack, and you niggas know I'm point like attack. Ooh, it hurt when you step on it with your toe, cause I come around with that lyrical flow when I'm smoking. Bomb ass rolling the optimal twisted up, and my click man lifted up high in the sky like what? Y'all niggas don't want none of us in the club. Clean like soap sud, no dirt. Rock red baby all the time on my shirt, putting work back in them days back as a younger one, and I came around with that thing went boom boom. But we ain't banging drums. I'm in this game, had to do it, never run, so I had to fight, and I do it right on the mic. And if I lose, then you might lose your life with that slice of that dice or that knife by that Christ or that Allah. Like I said, tipping alcoholic, and your girl might follow me. See me on Twitter. Why? Cause she wants to fuck with a real nigga. How the fuck you figure that the dude figure rapper come around through, turn you off with clapper? Nigga with my hands out with that burner. In the game stacking money used to be a earner. Now I'm just chilling back, sipping my drink. More ice on me than the skating rink. Usually the niggas try to do me, spitting jewels, nigga, and you don't see no jewelry on deck. Like Home Depot, let it go, nigga, and I'm banging your hoe. It's still bigger foe, I don't mean to bang, but hey, that's how it's gotta be. All fucking day, baby, red and black. Fuck the feds, fuck the police. Run up on me, nigga, in the game, I've been the beast. Wanna feast on you suckers, y'all this shark food. I'm in the game, nigga, and we living good.
That one was awesome.